Jeffrey Rapattoni with Marshall Dennehey, really good to have you back with us again today.
Thanks for having me.
So last time we talked, you were mentioning technology and this acceleration away from brick and mortar and the technology that insurance companies are going to have to start adapting. I think before COVID, the C-suite was struggling to understand with the vast amount of potential technologies out there, what are we investing in? How is that changing now as a result of COVID?
Yeah, I think what we're looking at is what I like to call business reinvention. That's the modern era of insurance right now in this post-COVID environment. Again, there was this rush to no-touch, low-touch claims, and we were in that before COVID, and we were adapting to that before COVID. But the reality of it is that in that environment, you've got to be very customer focused. And so, well, how do you do that when you're moving away from brick and mortar and your staff is no longer housed inside a building where you can have a true impact on your customer? Well, the answer to that is tech. Tech is what's going to make up for that. So in order to do it, you've got to reinvent your business plan. You're going from, being on the streets to then being at the desk to now a full virtual environment. If you want to keep those customer satisfaction scores up, you're going to have to invest in technology.
It seems like a really easy answer. I think we all know this, right? But it's also kind of scary. You're inventing a lot of things. People are scared to talk about this. What advice would you give to some of your customers who are thinking about making some of these huge leaps in technology?
Yeah, and there is a lot of fear. I mean, there's a lot of misperception, especially on the topic of AI, and that's truly going to just rule out all human touch whatsoever in SIU and claims handling. And of course, that's just a myth. The tech piece is to enhance the function of the claims adjuster and the SIU investigator, not to replace it. But I think people need to embrace it. Look, if you're not embracing it, you're going to lose your competitive edge in the marketplace because this is where it's going. Whether we like it or not, this is the new now. And so we have to embrace that technology coming upon us to, again, be able to compete in this competitive market with other carriers for customer retention.
Yeah, 2020 was a year that shined a light on a lot of things, but I think these technology advancements, you've got to be quick, but you've got to be safe and smart too. Jeffrey, nice chatting with you again. Thanks so much. Always appreciate your insights.
Thank you.